Alright, let's talk about something huge. How AI is totally changing the game in marketing storytelling. For years, I've watched marketers pour hours into planning, writing, and launching campaigns, always hoping to connect with the right audience in just the right way. Now, AI-driven platforms are stepping in to make storytelling not just easier, but way smarter and more scalable. Let me break down a few standout tools as of summer 2025. First up, there's Jasper. If you've ever struggled to keep your content on brand, Jasper is basically your new best friend. It helps whip up blog posts, social media captions, or campaign copy in your brand's voice. No more staring at a blank page. Then there's Arbor. Imagine turning long, detailed videos into quick, shareable clips for every social platform, without the headache of manual editing. That's what Arbor does, making it super simple to get more out of the videos you already have. Next, Storytel.ai is for all the data lovers out there. This one transforms complex business data into clear, actionable stories, so you can actually understand what your numbers are saying and share those insights with your team. Ordo is another powerhouse. It uses AI to automate those repetitive marketing tasks. Think segmenting audiences, predicting who'll open your emails, and even suggesting subject lines that get clicks. And finally, Catalyst. If you're more of a visual thinker, Catalyst uses AI to build storyboards in a snap, perfect for quickly mapping out campaign ideas or pitches. So whether you're crafting killer content, editing videos, making sense of data, or building visual narratives, there's an AI platform designed just for you. Honestly, it's never been easier or smarter to scale your marketing stories. Are you ready to let AI tell your story? Let's zoom in on Jasper, the AI platform that's quickly becoming every marketer's secret weapon. Imagine never having to face writer's block again. Jasper takes your brand's unique voice and tone, then instantly generates everything from catchy headlines to full-length blog posts. Need a social media caption that pops? Jasper's got it covered. Want consistent messaging across your website, emails, and ads? Just feed Jasper a few prompts and watch it work its magic. What sets Jasper apart is its ability to learn and adapt. The more you use it, the better it understands your brand personality. The result? Content that not only sounds like you, but also resonates with your audience, every single time. Plus, with built-in tools for collaboration, your whole team can brainstorm, edit, and approve copy in one place. With Jasper, marketers can finally focus on big-picture strategy, while the AI handles the heavy lifting of content creation. It's a game changer for scaling your brand's storytelling no matter the size of your team. Now let's meet Arbor, the AI platform that's redefining the way brands tell stories through visuals. While words are powerful, Arbor knows that images and videos can make your message truly unforgettable. With Arbor, you simply describe your idea, and the AI generates stunning visuals that match your brand's style and personality. Need a series of eye-catching graphics for your next campaign? Arbor delivers them in seconds. Want to turn data into engaging infographics or create short, animated videos? Arbor's got your back. Plus, its intuitive dashboard makes editing and collaboration a breeze, so your creative team stays in sync from concept to final cut. With Arbor, marketers can effortlessly blend visuals and copy, making every piece of content more impactful and memorable. The future of brand storytelling isn't just written, it's seen. Next up is Storytel.ai, the game changer for brands aiming to connect with audiences on a personal level. Storytel.ai takes your marketing strategy beyond generic messaging by crafting unique, data-driven narratives for every customer segment. Just input your campaign goals and audience profiles, and Storytel.ai instantly generates tailored stories that resonate with each viewer. Whether it's an engaging email sequence, a captivating blog post, or a dynamic social media update. What sets Storytel.ai apart? Its ability to learn from audience feedback, continuously refining each story to boost engagement and conversion rates over time. The result: campaigns that feel less like advertising and more like genuine conversations delivered at the speed and scale only AI can provide. With Storytel.ai, your brand doesn't just tell stories, it creates meaningful connections with every single customer. Now let's spotlight Orto, a powerhouse platform that's transforming automated customer journeys. Orto seamlessly blends customer data, behavior insights, and AI-driven messaging to craft personalized experiences across every touchpoint. Imagine welcoming new subscribers with bespoke email sequences, nudging shoppers with timely offers, or re-engaging dormant leads. Each step automatically tailored to audience actions and preferences. Ordo's intuitive drag-and-drop journey builder lets you visualize and optimize every stage of your marketing funnel. Plus, with real-time analytics, you can see exactly how each story performs and adjust your strategy on the fly. Whether you're nurturing leads or driving sales, Ordo turns complex journeys into simple, effective, and highly personalized conversations, helping your brand connect with customers at just the right moment every time. Next up, meet Catalyst, a game changer for teams who want to supercharge their content creation process. Catalyst uses advanced AI to streamline collaboration between marketers, designers, and writers, making it easier than ever to brainstorm, draft, and refine content together. With real-time editing, AI-powered suggestions, and automated task management, your team can move from concept to publish in record time. Catalyst's intuitive interface keeps everyone on the same page, while built-in brand guidelines ensure every piece of content stays consistent and on message. Whether you're launching a new campaign or managing daily posts, Catalyst empowers your team to work smarter, not harder, unlocking creativity and efficiency at every step.